Welcome to all my sweet little children. I hope you're all healthy, happy, and safe at home. So today, shall we make something that you would like to make? It's a vegetable, not fruit, since we made a lot of fruits in the earlier videos. So shall we make it and see? It's a very nutritious vegetable. Some children I know don't like this vegetable much, but some love it. Do you know what it is? It's a pumpkin. We are making a pumpkin today. So for that we need a square piece of paper which is about 15 into 15 centimeters in size. And for the stem, the little part that comes on top of the pumpkin, we need maybe like a 5 into 5 centimeter piece of paper separately for that. Let's see how to do it now then. Now fold this 15 into 15 centimeter paper into half and then fold it again on the other side. Now open it up and now fold it so that you get a triangle. Again on the other side, so you get a triangle again. Open it up. Now I know you all know how to make the 4 small squares. Now put your finger inside like this to open this flap, but we are folding it inside, not outside like in the earlier days. Now push back the flap and then fold it inside like that. Okay? Open the flap again, fold it inwards and then keep it back where it was. Then do the same thing on the top, but you can fold it backwards. You can fold it to the front so you can get the fold in line and then fold it backwards, or you can directly fold it backwards. Now the opening part is opposite you, and now turn it around. Flip the paper. Now bring this corner inside, fold the corner. And fold this corner also, so that you get a little triangle. This corner also we need to fold. And what about the top? Fold it down so that the triangle is a bit bigger than the other. Now our pumpkin is almost complete. We need the stem. So for that we can paste down this little flap and the other flap as well, and these other flaps if you want. And now to make the stem, let's see how to do it. So take this little piece of paper and fold it in half so that you get a triangle. Now this edge comes to the middle line and this edge comes to the middle line again. Okay, now this edge comes to the middle line again. So you're folding the same place twice. Same thing on the other side. Then this little triangle, now since it's a small piece of paper, it will be difficult, but be careful, and if you do it slowly you can do it well. Now this corner we are folding a little bit and then folding it one more time, and then again, now here this part is where we fold it from. Fold it about 3 times and then twist this top part like this. Put a little glue here, right? And then stick it on. And there you have it, a pumpkin. So doesn't it look really nice? You can make it in any color you like, maybe green or orange, any other color. So I will see you soon. Goodbye.